Headlines have a diminishing effect over time. When Trump took office last year in January, his initial tariff announcements or headlines would move the market a lot. But as they kept on coming, the moves became smaller and smaller and smaller to the point where the market stopped reacting at all to tariff announcements like now. Now, one of the main reasons this happens is this surprise. Markets price in things quickly, and the market's always looking for the next big thing. So, how I talk about short term memory, the market always is looking for something new. So, the old stuff gets priced in very quickly, and when it's repeated over and over again, it's probably already priced in by then. The surprise factor is already gone. Another key is credibility erosion. When someone makes a threat constantly over and over again, but never actually fully materializes, eventually they just ignore it and it stops being reacted to in the same way. For example, if someone threatened to quit their job every single week, but then never actually quit, by the third or fourth time, no one's going to take it seriously anymore. It's just irrelevant at that point. Now, this ties back into tariffs because tariffs were announced, then they were paused, then they were pushed back, then they were negotiated, then they're announced again. So eventually, by that time, the market just stops taking it seriously. Another reason is institutional adoption because algorithms also stop reacting the same way because algorithms are programmed to react to certain words, certain headlines, stuff. After a while, they are not going to react in the same way to what they did at the start when it was a surprise. By the fifth or sixth announcement, algos are not going to react the same as the first announcement. Now, this again can be connected back to the Iran conflict because every day we see a different headline. We see negotiation today, then escalation tomorrow, then, okay, we're going to open the strait, then we're going to see de-escalation, then no actual negotiation this time, escalation again. So a million different headlines. And observe how the market reacts to each one of these and see what happens.